Okay, so it says here error response from daemon. Failed to create
So this
shim.
is first I just go to check this folder CD superset. Okay, here is
That's an init
file
file is there. Init file is there, yeah. Superset init.sh. He's saying no, but superset, hold on. So do ls minus ltr. I want to see the permissions on that file. Enter. So superset is everything. So
Should I show the Docker can come to know because it's running the container through Docker file, right?
Okay, so cut the file.
So if you see here, the superset init, this is the file.
Yeah.
So I think I'm using
// But it's saying that start that file, start / superset init. And he's saying, so user is superset, right? So the user is supposed to start that initialization file and it's not coming. So
right, superset / something like that in the
well, so just go to that file. Let me see. vi There's nothing like that. It's called / superset. No. So vi superset underscore init. What happens? Yeah, init, enter. So inside here, it's saying user is root. This is supposed to run the MySQL client.
No, not MySQL. This is MySQL client. This is I want to connect my.
Yeah, well, okay. This file, it will run these things, right? First user is root, and then it will pip install the client. It will run pip install, copy superset into here, run change mode. So
it was not there before.
What is not there?
This line run ch mode +x. This was not there.
You added it. You added that.
Yeah.
Okay, but still the file is not getting executed at all, right? So from
got it. This is an underscore, right? There is no hyphen. Okay.
Look, no, it's correct. The file is correct, right? Superset.
They are hyphen, right? But file name was init, right? Underscore init, right?
Okay, so hold on. What is the copy command doing? Copy superset -init. And they're copying it and calling it /, meaning the root directory, calling it the same name. So they're copying superset into the root, right?
Can you check here? Bottom? What is the file name?
Underscore init. Yes, that's the file name. Yes, and here is fine. Yeah, so it's not correct, right? Rename the file name to underscore and run it again. So yeah, quit this. Rename this file.
Init.
Superset -init.sh. Okay, and then run the command again. The container should now work. See, it's running.
No, running, but it is coming till that point or not? That's question, right?
Before we never saw this, right?
One container of superset is not coming here.
So
see, again it is failing. Now superset -init is not such file.
So maybe the copy, remove the / from the Docker file. Like you remember, yeah. So go back into the VI.
Docker file.
Yeah, no. So VI the init file here again. No, not the doc. Oh, it was the Docker file, right? So open that. No, not this one. The other one. Exit from here. Exit. Open the other one. Superset init file. So you see the copy.
This is not a Docker file. This is a
No,
superset.
yeah,
file.
that's not the Docker file. That is just the init file. So the Docker file should run this file, right?
Docker file, this file. Yeah.
So Docker file, inside Docker file, this, but I don't like the copy, right? It's copying into slash.
No, but I'm saying this is also the same instruction of the Docker file only. This is the same thing, na? In the Docker file or this one is the same instruction.
Is it the
Similar,
same?
right?
Is it the same instruction? Go inside Docker file again. Open another window and then you can compare. So cut the Docker file. So cut Docker file. So what is the Docker file doing? Docker file has an entry point.
This is same thing or not, right? From Apache user root, this one. If you see, this is the same thing, right? This line I added, okay? Leave this line.
You added that, okay. No, so now you need to know what the Docker file is doing. Docker file is doing a bunch of instructions. It's copying the superset
app, right? env superset config path, okay?
That is the environment. So copy superset underscore config.py into /app and then set the environment.
And then user superset and entry point. Okay, and this is the this file is I don't know why. Oh, might be it is trying unable to start container process.
It doesn't know how to run this /superset. That is what I'm saying, right? So maybe the /superset -init, it doesn't know how to run that file. And that file is, you see inside your Docker file?
Both are same, Docker file also, and this file is same.
So the entry point here is /superset -init.sh.
And this point also same.
Yeah, so what does that mean? It means that somehow it needs to run this superset and do everything. But I don't like the fact that maybe the / is not allowing, right?
I show you Docker Compose. Okay, see in the Docker Compose, this is a superset, right? This is a Docker file for the superset. Okay.
/superset.
Just the direct one, right?
Okay.
The superset, there is a Docker file is there. This is the one, the first one. Okay. Right. So it is not using that at all, right? The init one. Okay.
But it needs to somehow when you run the script, it's looking for the init. But inside the Docker Compose, the init is nowhere showing.
Right, Docker file it's calling init, right? In the Docker file, because I think Docker file it is calling this file and this file again doing the same thing. Yeah.
So if you take the Docker file is looking for the entry point. The entry point is /superset -init.sh. Where is that file? So the entry point means what? Entry point means look for it and run it.
Okay, I show you one more dashboard folder is there. If you see this superset dashboard, here is again the same thing, like Docker file and script. Okay, if I show you cat Docker file, this Docker file is just for create dashboard.py. So create dashboard.py that is in the script. Okay, the Docker file is using the file inside the script.
Yeah. So if you go to script, somehow there should be references there, right?
.py is called. Okay. So this sequence is correct, right? This sequence is correct, and this one using this dashboard using this file internally.
Yeah.
And fine. If I go to superset folder here, so here is a Docker file should use
superset init.
Superset init is the same Docker file only. I think this file I'm not getting right.
But it's not exactly the same. So Docker file is looking for the soup. Docker file is looking for that.
The config is for Okay, just a secret key is there. Okay.
Yeah, this one is different.
Okay, but superset init.sh, it is the same instruction of the
No, there's more.
user.
Yeah, so beginning it'll install all those things, and then it'll copy right after the copy, right? So is it even copying the file? Does it copy the file?
Yeah, same file, whatever hyphen file, same hyphen they are making it
So
slash
yeah, but what I'm saying is just copy that file. Maybe I'll say copy that file into hyphen superset.sh. Maybe call it some other name. Maybe remove the slash.
to this file as a Docker file.
What?
I think I should rename it to this file is a Docker file, because this file has little more instructions, right? This file, I should give it this file as a Docker file, because when I'm checking the
okay, so then in that case,
if you check this is a file. Okay, now match. This is line is there. This line is there on the top.
From
User, this one from Apache Superset
yeah,
latest.
okay.
Then user, it is there. Okay.
Okay.
Run pip install MySQL client. It is there. Then it is setting
all your
admin,
environments.
admin. Then copy superset config.py. Copy superset config.py in app, and environment they are setting is
yeah, it doesn't have that.
this one is not there. Oh, it is there. No,
who is that?
This line there. Only these two line is not there.
So if if you want to make it that way, then you have to copy those missing lines into here.
And same file, how can we entry point? Entry point means something, some other script, right?
Yeah, so entry point in Docker file means go in there and look for that script and run it, right? I mean, we can even look, even ChatGPT can explain that to you. But
first of all, you tell me, any shell script file can have this Docker instruction. It is completely wrong, now.
What shell script file?
This is a Docker instruction or not? This is not a shell script instruction, right?
No, those are Docker file instructions.
Right. So how it can come in the shell script? If I run as a / command, will it work?
Okay, yeah. Well, you can run them line by line. It should work, right? You can look at whatever is there and run it manually, line by line. Maybe you can try that too.
Can we run it as a shell script? It will not run, right? Because there is no shell script command.
No. So if you want to run it, you have to do /superscript, right? If you just want to run just the superscript, which is just a file, you can do that, right? So
okay, so are there superset. So I think this config one, which one is using config? Okay, I'm saying right, Docker file cat Docker file has config script is
it's not here.
Just
it's just the environment. But what I'm saying is this Docker file, you can run the things line by line and see if it works, right? But the config.py, it's already in your location. It's gonna move, take a copy into /app, set the environment, and then run the entry point. But so
this entry point not a shell script that I'm going to say.
No, but you can run it manually.
Manually means it is not a shell script command that I'm saying. It is not a shell script.
Yeah, but you can make it. It's a .sh, right? So .sh means it's a script.
Okay, let's see. You mean to say if I do this, okay, it run, right? What happening? See,
the environment is not. The environment is not created. You know, you have to run the top first. The env admin. There you have to run the admin username, admin email, admin whatever, and then finally.
But it's not shell script command. This from user run. These are Docker command. This is completely wrong file.
Yeah. So those are hold on. Those are Docker commands, right? However,
the Docker the shell script that I'm saying.
So if you want to change it into the shell script, if you want to change it into the shell script, then
that is a different thing.
yeah,
The shell script, but it cannot be run. This is the actual folder. Okay, let's see what is here. Superset init.sh.
it says fix the /r issue. What does that mean, right? What is
Yeah,
it?
I think. Yeah,
So
superset
over here,
init.sh
you
is the
see, this is a script, right? This one here.
right.
So
No, the correct one. This is the shell script command. That command is wrong, right? See,
I mean,
this Docker file. No, one second. I just copy. I create this file here. Okay, I think the files are wrong. RM Docker file.
just move it. You didn't have to remove it. Anyway.
Okay, this is the Docker file.
But what is the difference between this and the one you removed? Isn't it the same contents?
Same, right? Same superset. Okay, and the other one is superset init.sh vi superset init.sh. Okay,
But
I think
did you not clone this from the guy's repo?
I did, but I did some changes.
This
Right?
is not .sh. This is config.py. So
This is the one.
yeah, so
This is the shell script. This is shell script, right?
yeah, it is.
Completely wrong. I think how it copied. See, this is the correct one, and this one is a superset hyphen init. Okay, correct. The file. Correct. Okay. Same file is calling itself. See, this is a Linux command. That's the reason it will run, because Linux command.
Okay, so I don't know how. Okay, so you cloned this.
Yeah.
So why did it change on your VM? You cloned it, right? So why did it change?
But I have only changed in these two files only. Okay, rest other I didn't change.
Okay,
now
then run your Docker compose and see what happens.
it is coming. It's stuck on that.
Is that exited with code 0? Error response from daemon.
It is
Same error is there. Okay, so it.
Should I remove Docker images, right, or containers, right?
I'm not sure, but something is not right inside there, right? Even
I should stop all the.
Yeah, even you did this. So anyway, this same guy, I just cloned his repo, and what am I supposed to do?
You can. Yeah. Okay, let's do your one.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Maybe we can quickly.
Yeah. Let me share my
do,
screen.
right?
Let me share my screen first.
Because
you have to.
I think rather.
You have to enable. You have to enable sharing, and then let me share. And then, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I'm able to see.
Okay, so this is
not.
Hold on for a minute. This is the one. I think I downloaded this guy's stuff. No, this is the Docker Compose thing, right? So
okay.
But somehow it wasn't working. So what? And here's the guy's repository, right? This is the one. Correct? This one. So from here, what I did is I just cloned it. So
go to the folder.
What is the folder name called again?
That is sales hyphen streaming.
Sales, right? So CD sales. So I didn't put it here. Where did I put it? Okay, so here, I think it was here somewhere. UWD. Okay, so going to here, CD sales, this one.
Yeah, CDs. Yeah, this is the main folder. Yeah, all are there, right? Docker Compose are here. Yeah.
But I was somehow the Docker Compose, I told you, right? I run it from different whatever. Before it was failing, but I fixed it with this, right? And then now it's running.
Yeah, just run the command.
But I don't see any containers created. So what should I do? I don't see any containers or anything. Unless
Okay, but the Docker Compose app you do now once, right?
Yeah, here's the Docker Compose. I run it already.
Yeah, so it is showing version. Nah, it will work, right? Can you go down? Just you do the Docker Compose app here. Here, yeah. Docker hyphen. Yeah, up. Yeah. Oh,
Hold on. Who overlaps with one other? Do I have to? Was I in? I was in here. Hello world. CD to. Hold on. Maybe CD to share. I'm not sure, but I know. I mean, I can also completely. You see, it's starting something, right?
But why it is not? You are able to Docker Compose.
So it run this, and this is what happens. Attaching to this, hello from Docker, blah blah blah. Okay. So does that mean that everything is running? This is the only thing running. But how? Okay, so I cloned the repo. So
but Compose is not working, right? Docker Compose is not able to.
Well,
or these container also exit, right? Can you see exited? It is not working your container, right?
Okay, so
if you don't Docker, you do nothing will come.
Okay, so what I have to do first is to completely remove this, right? Because I came here. So, okay, so after you clone this repo, then what happens? Maybe that's the question, right? So go back here, CD to streaming. Sales. Is this, so after I clone this, what do you have to run? I guess that's the question.
Simple, I run the Docker Compose up command and all the containers coming, right? Because your Docker Compose is not working.
So what are you saying is, as soon as you clone this, all you need to do is to just run Docker Compose space app.
Yeah.
That was all you were supposed to do?
But your Docker Compose, why it is not working?
Okay, so I have to probably remove the Docker Compose because initially I'll have to remove it and
do one.
So
in mine one,
Docker
I should
Compose uninstall, right? Ubuntu, this one.
or I.
So how do I on it? No, so hold on, because I didn't understand what I was doing to begin with.
Oh, try Docker space compose up, right? Because sometimes, but your command is working with the Docker hyphen compose, right?
Yeah, but still, why? Because the guy's script, if the guy's repo is fine, maybe it's a very old one, but still, you should be able to make it to work. Now, if I type Docker space compose, it wasn't working, right? So run this to remove. So if you get permission, do not do this individual. So it's just a simple removal. Okay, and then what? If I check with this, which command? So
what is this repo name?
The one that so this is the hello world thing. So if somehow that the Docker Compose that I installed is not his his repo has issues, okay? His
Repo
yeah.
issue because repo I use, right? Repo I use.
You use it,
Because
okay? So I just clone his repo, but if I just clone his repo, but I can't just run the Docker Compose app. So meaning that something is not right over there, because in his repo, which is is it a sales streaming? Sales streaming, right? So
I have to install Docker in my another system I'm trying Docker.
Oh, you're installing another system?
Yeah, another one more machine. So I think you install Docker, I will install also the same way.
You see here, which Docker Compose is removed from my system now. So if I go here, if I do this, pwd, remove the hello world thing, remove this, it's a directory. So it's gone. So if I say Docker Compose
hyphen version space
version, right?
Yeah.
It's gone. No such file or directory.
Okay. So there is a
no, because I deleted this folder. So this folder is gone. So it's not there anymore, right? But I wanted to understand what this whole thing was. Since you gave me this, I wanted to know what this is. So this is a container with Kafka and all those things inside, right?
Completely data engineering component, all this component. Can you see at the bottom? They are generating the report in the superset. Go down. The architecture diagram, see this diagram. This is the different layers. Data integration layer, message broker, then stream processing, and the serving database and visualization. But the way,
but the way this guy he's put this is an old thing, okay? Because somehow I started following it, and then after here, this didn't work, so I fixed it. This didn't work, I fixed this, and then I started it. But this side, I started Docker, but I couldn't see this things, right? So that is the reason. That is this the only repo, or there's some other there are other ones that we can use? Because if I go to sales screaming from here, what are you supposed to run? You're just supposed to run Docker Compose.
Compose, you will do everything. It will do. It will create a containers. It will create a tables.
But where is the Docker Compose file? This one?
Yeah, this one. Yes, everything it will do. If properly running now, this file.
But how I run it? Docker Compose space app. Because I tried that, it didn't work.
That problem is coming the Docker. Even this system Docker is not installing properly.
Yeah, see, because the way this guy has the thing done, it's not up to date, because some of the information, because this is his YAML file, right? The YAML file does so many things, okay? Yeah, so this YAML file does a lot of things, or like all your Spark and all those things are there. But the way he's showing it is not the best, because you run into errors, right? Follow this link to install Docker and Docker Compose, and then run this. But here he's not showing us anything. So from where he's running the Docker Compose space app, where he's doing that?
Actually, he is not doing that command I found on the internet.
Yeah,
Actually, I
because
was trying.
see, he never showed anything like Docker Compose app. He-
Yeah, Docker Compose version, right? If you see Docker space Compose, it's a newer version. Little up, little up, little up, little
yeah,
up, little
this
up.
is the one. Yeah, but this is only displaying the version.
Yeah, but command also we run Docker space Compose space up.
Yeah, so
It's the
that
same.
so he never gave that here, right?
He didn't give. Even he didn't give how to test the application. He didn't give.
Okay, so is there any other repo same as this we can clone? Do you have one? If you have another person, I think this guy's stuff is probably not the best because
But
so like I just cloned it. I mean, I have a VM, I can clone it there, but will that make any difference? Because I have this VM running, right? Like this one here is another VM.
I can try. I have my virtual box, right? My virtual
Yeah.
workstation.
So this is the VM that in fact, this is where I run everything or not. Yeah. So this is where I run everything, correct?
Where?
Yeah. This is my VM. See, KMaster.
But Docker Compose is not working, right?
Yeah. So that is why I'm saying that the Docker Compose is not working, and even if it's working, it does not connect to this guy's stuff.
No, mine is the last problem is coming. Only superset. Everything is working. I run the example, whole example. I run. See, if you go down, bottom down, I run it, right? This entire thing. Go down. I run it till the layer, till the processing layer I done. Till the stream processing. My data is coming. Okay.
So up until here, you did all this?
Yeah, I tried that one.
So okay, so after I clone it, why I cannot run the Docker Compose?
Docker Compose is our issue, right? Because Docker Compose is not related to this application. This application, because my Docker Compose is working, but my Docker Compose is facing issue in the last container, only last container. Otherwise, my all containers.
So here now, nothing here works, right? So I wanted to completely remove the Docker Compose. I can even delete this and clone it again, but I don't know if it's gonna work. Because if you clone this, it should come with everything, right?
Yeah, it should come everything, yeah.
Yeah, so that is the reason why I wanted to make sure that there are no Docker Compose things. So if I say which Docker Compose, there's nothing, right? Because I removed it. So the question is, user bin docker dash compose. So at the beginning, when you did it, so at the beginning, when you did it, did you have to?
I did.
How did you get the Docker Compose thing? You had to go.
Yeah. My that WSL is working, but I'm Windows 10 WSL. I'm trying. It is not working. This Docker installation. Okay, but I have in my Ubuntu VirtualBox. There is my VirtualBox. Ubuntu is having Docker and Docker Compose both. So I will run this GitHub repo. I'm trying to start there. Okay. Meanwhile, I join that way. I joined there also meeting. This example is a pretty simple example. Only thing is our once Everything is doing. Even we don't need to create topic. We don't need to create a table. We don't need to create everything.
Okay.
Otherwise, we go to the container. We generally go to the container, create table, right?
Everything should be in the YAML file, right?
Because the Docker file itself is doing the Docker file they are using.
Yeah. So, but I'm not understanding why the thing is
mine is complete Docker Compose working. See, even this user interface is coming, right?
Okay, so what in my case, what am I doing wrong?
See, Docker is not installed. That means our installation problem, right?
Docker
like
is not on. You mean Docker is not installed on my VM?
Docker version is there now. Can you check Docker version?
Yeah, Docker is there from way back.
So you go to the Docker website. There is a Docker Compose plugin. Okay. So go to the Docker website to install Docker Compose. Only one single line of command is there. Yeah. Same one you do. Docker Compose install Ubuntu. Just take it that one. Yeah. Copy. Yeah. Enter. Because first one. Here the Docker Compose.
This one.
So is Compose plugin. No. There is a install Compose plugin. This is remove. Left side. Options. Yeah. Compose plugin. Yeah. So go down. So this is a Docker installation. Go down. Yeah.
This one.
Only Ubuntu one we ran, right? Yeah. So get installed.
App get install Docker Compose plugin. This command.
Yeah.
Run this command.
Yeah.
Okay. So copy this. The first one is just the update. So run this.
Yeah, both we run. Yeah.
Enter.
I think you're coming, right? This one, is the APT.
Yeah. Ubuntu, right? So this one will update it. After update is finished, it will install the component plugins. But I think before you called me, I did all that. I think
you did.
I did something like that. You see it here? Because I Googled the same instructions, how to install the Docker Compose. But after I did that, it had nothing to do with the guy's repo, right? So after install this is the same thing that we are doing now. It's the same thing that we are doing here.
I downloaded this repo now.
Yeah, but even here, what happened?
I came to in repo and now I'm running my Docker Compose in my Ubuntu VM.
Okay, but why this one is not showing? Unable to see, unable to locate package, right? So it doesn't know where to run this second command. It doesn't know how to grab the plugin. So if you Google this error, then it's gonna tell you. It will take you somewhere else. It's saying its compose file is an invalid file. I don't know, right? See, so that is what I'm saying, that if I put this error. It's starting. It is starting. Okay, let me show you. Okay. It is started. Just check here. You are able to see my screen? Yeah. Yeah, I can see your screen. Another my virtual box VM. Ubuntu. Yeah, but okay. But what I'm saying is the same command. Isn't that the same command I'm running? Space I given. No, but for my own, the plugin is not installed, right? Yeah, plugin. Mine is previously installed. That's the reason I just git clone I did git clone. Okay. First time I run the okay, so it means I have to install the compose first and then run the git clone. It says, and then run the, it says here, answer.
If
Go to system software and in the command line, enable it, sudo this, and then you'll be able to install that. So maybe it doesn't, maybe the repo is not enabled, right? So let's just see. So if I do this,
so my last time files come proper or not?
adding component universe, enter.
This time it came proper, right? Because last time the superset init file is a wrong, right? And now get Docker file. So
Okay. So
now this time the file is correct, right? This is the shell script file.
so
And
so
this file, Docker
okay,
file.
so you just clone the guy's repo? Is that what you did? You just clone the guy's repository?
Yeah, this is a repo I did here.
Okay.
Now it is downloading all my containers. Let's see after this. See, his repo is not a problem. His repo is working fine. See, all containers are coming.
Okay.
Right. It is very heavy containers, right? It's very
okay.
like
So now I have installed this. Now if you run the Docker Compose, so he says something about Docker Compose is already the newest version. So Docker Compose is installed. I just did an app
can you run this compose up?
No, but not the plugin. The plugin, it doesn't install the plugin. When I do the app get install Docker Compose plugin, it doesn't know how to install the plugin. But if I do just install Docker Compose, it's saying Docker Compose is already installed. So I should run the Docker Compose app or what?
Yeah, Docker Compose up. But Docker Compose when we run, then it should be.
But it's not. He's telling me that. It's telling me that it's not. It says Docker Compose is already installed. So if it's installed, where is it installed? -- version, correct? Okay, so I'm not sure why he's doing this, but Docker -compose -- version. And when I do Docker Compose apt install Docker -compose, it says Docker Compose already installed and the newest version.
Okay, so then your command will work, right?
No, it's not working. It's not working.
So what error is coming?
I'll show you on my screen. I think something is not right.
Let me.
Maybe I should use another VM for this. For some reason,
New Ubuntu VM, like same like me. Okay.
no, I mean I have another VM I can use, but okay, so you disable the sharing. I cannot.
I made. Okay, now I made.
So if I am sharing the screen, now you can see my screen, right? Okay, so you see this. If you run this, unable to locate package. And then if I run this, it's saying that, hey, it's already installed with the version. You see that? So it's telling me that Docker Compose is already the newest version. But if I want to display the version, it's saying no files. I'm in the sales streaming, right? I said, which Docker Compose? Docker having compose dash dash version. And it's not giving me anything. So it says Docker requires this, the uname. Even the update, right? Paste, get update, and then get install Docker IO. Some unable to locate package Docker engine. You do follow this step. So I guess does it. So in a way, so yours is all good now.
Mine is still taking time.
Oh, it's still building the stuff.
Yeah, it's big containers, right?
Okay, so what am I doing wrong on my screen here? Okay, what is wrong here? What am I doing wrong? I have the Docker version, and then here I have the. If I do this, you see, is that unable to locate package?
Yeah, so this is not able to,
Okay.
maybe the version is not able to update the package.
For the Docker, I can I mean I can remove the Docker. Oh,
plugin.
No, the plugin is not, is unable to locate the package Docker Compose plugin. So that's why I need to know how you install the Docker Compose on your machine, right?
Simple, like previously I installed with the simple just.
So if I do get because if I go here and I say install Docker Compose Ubuntu, this one. See, but that will just install, but it has nothing to do with the guy script. So here, install this. Okay, so this is what we did, but it didn't work. So how to install and use this? So this I did, and then this, and then that. Okay, so enter. You see, I'm doing it again, okay? But this is just how to install Docker Compose, even before the repo, okay? Nothing to do with the repo. But I'm thinking that somehow if you install the Docker Compose separately from his repo, then somehow his repo doesn't work.
Okay.
Because here, this is just giving you instructions to install the repo. Okay. Like I'm just copy pasting things. Okay. But that,
no, if you have done all the steps, then Docker Compose version, why it is not coming?
yeah, the Docker, so that is what I'm telling you. So you do this, you do this. Now, if you run the version, it's coming now. Let's see.
It's taking time.
It's checking, right? So the version is 233. You see this? So the Docker Compose version is dead. So what is the next thing to do?
Okay, now you run the repo. Now you run the Docker Compose up command space.
Docker like this. Like that. Docker Compose space up. From the sales streaming.
Yes. Yeah. Enter. Yes.
So it means.
Oh my God.
So it means before then, you have to, you see, so I from here, I created a directory called Docker CLI plugins. And then I downloaded with the curl command. And then I made it executable.
Okay, I'm getting this error. Failed to create network safe streaming data pipeline error response from the daemon. Pool overlap with other one on this address space.
Yeah, it looks like something else was already there. I'm not sure why. Okay, so why? You see, something is. You see here again. It's timing out. You see here. So why
no, this very heavy container? I'm telling you, it is. If it is.
So it means something. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, it's a very heavy container because it's the file size is big, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is why.
This is still pulling, right?
Yeah. So you see, Zookeeper, Cassandra is coming. MySQL is coming. So Avin, in the meantime, I ask you, right? So now, are you watching my screen?
Yeah, I'm watching.
So this is the guy I'm listening to from the Azure BI, right? This thing. But I was saying you were saying that the other Databricks video you don't have it yet, right? So, but I'm saying in order to come here, I should learn at least the coding of the Spark, the language first, right? Because I have to find the best and quick approach to learn the. Because without the Spark you cannot do anything, right? So so I came here, and this is what I was going to do before you called. I need to install PySpark on the Mac OS. A few steps. In fact, I was doing this. I was doing the JDK. Brew install JDK. I think so is finished for that one. Where was I doing it?
Can you check the?
You see here?
Yeah. Can you check the containers?
On the Docker, this one is pulling, right? It's pulling. So here it means JDK is installed. Yeah. So it says install Python. So brew install pyarm. Because every day maybe I spend like half an hour.
Oh,
What happened?
my Cassandra is already running, so port connectivity problem is coming. So I have to.
You have to kill it.
I
Yeah. It says
whatever local machine one, na, those two, right? So that will not up. So Cassandra is giving problem. So only Zookeeper came, Spark came, MySQL came. Okay, Cassandra didn't come. So Cassandra is giving error. So I have to bind error is coming. So I have
fine.
to ls of what is the command, right? Kill command.
You can do kill -9 space.
First I yes AUX and grep
Yeah.
9042.
Yeah.
And then
You have to grab the thing first, right?
yeah, so I have to just kill the service, right? Kill.
Correct. You see, this is a big download, right? It's still going.
Yeah, this one.
But for me, I mean, if I do this, I mean, what am I going to understand from here after I do all this and it's working? Then what it means for me?
This is basically giving understanding about how container works in the data engineering.
Oh, but I have to go inside and again play with it because this guy. So digital ocean gave me this. So so this week I applied 2-3 people, but I cannot stay this time like last time. I need to get job as soon as possible. You see
But
here?
first call is important, right?
What is important?
Call, right?
Oh, yeah. So this is the things you're talking about, right? Like from PySpark. These are all PySpark, right?
This is all PySpark code. This is Spark by example, right? Filter, transform.
Because I'm here, PySpark with English SDK.
But Databricks, what you completed so far?
So I told you the data breaks. That is why I wanted you. I'm listening to this guy.
Under the user settings, by using this generate a new token. So by using this token, you can able to access this Azure data.
So he's showing.
Similarly, if you want to run the USQL scripts, if you remember last time, we have created USQL.
This guy is doing the
right?
data factory
So
with Databricks.
You have another activity. Use. See, under Azure Data Lake Analytics, there is a USQL programming. Under this USQL programming, again, you need to create a connection to the USQL.
Last time I wanted to create brand new cluster. You told, right?
We don't have any analytics account. If you have that analytics account, that will come over here. But to connect it.
So the one guy I told you that I went 3 weeks back. Then you told me about one like 2 months ago. So I went to him. He says he can do the training, but I don't think so. He's an instructor. You know what I mean, Avin?
So this.
So I don't think the one guy. I don't think so. He's an instructor because he agreed. So my friend said, what happened to my friend? He was asking me if one is not doing the teaching, right? I said, well, I don't know, but sometimes he's busy and he's not busy and all that. But anyway, tomorrow morning also there is the class from one of the people. One of the people, they shared me the, what do you call it?
Who?
Not this. No, tomorrow that I think there's a demo from these people, Prep Z. This. You know these
What
guys?
is the name? Oh, Pratyut, Prep G. Apache is issued, right? This is a full data engineering course.
Yeah, tomorrow I'm joining. You see here.
How much fee they are saying?
I don't know. I think it's some kind of master class happening tomorrow at 10:30 CST time, 11 a.m. EST. So I just registered from the site, and then so I just need to. You know of this school? You hear of them?
Yeah, I heard it. I know this.
Pradya. His name is what? Pradya. Product. Okay, so lead data engineer Luxoft. I guess that's where he's working, right? So free master class is there. So tomorrow I'll join. But and then there was the other people also. They were. I told you about the other guy, right? He was also there.
What is the name?
Vector E. I think it's in the. It's not in this chat. So DBT also we have to learn. We have to know this DBT.
DBT is a data modeling tool. This also need to learn.
I mean, I give up on all this, man. So many things to learn. When are you gonna have the time? How you? Everyone takes minimum 1 year.
That is the thing, right? Everything. Yeah, I'm getting the same error now. The same like.
You see this? You see this psi? See, I told you, right? You see this psi?
Psi vector E invite to data engineering.
Yes.
This is a which institute?
So this one we did this on the 15th. We did this. So the name of the institute came from these people. Vector E, right?
But,
so this one Monday they're starting this one.
Oh, this Vicky, I know this guy, Vicky, the guy who posted. He has his own channel. Actually, he has made channel from my group.
Your channel?
His own.
He's from his own. He made his own group from your group?
Yeah. He was in my. So he posted his group link and everybody joined his group. Actually, you will get also the same problem, right? That Superset one. Because the one problem was coming in my other laptop. Same is coming now.
Okay, so still, you see, it's still pulling. So in the meantime, I'm just installing the pyspark on this machine because so that Vicky is making his session from your session.
He advertising someone else, right? He's himself is advertising someone else. I don't know the person, right? But who is the person? He is
But even I see. So how many things are you teaching? Because I see you have several things all the time. Did you hear anything from your brother-in-law, from Shashi?
No, not yet. Are we still processing things?
I think Shashi gave me the site to check, but I never checked again. I think last time I checked, they said they are processing it.
The case, right? The case. The
yeah,
case.
yeah.
Something case, something is their case. Something case.
Yeah. It says, "Hi, shell integration." Okay, so run this for instructions.
This is the same one, sales streaming one?
No. This is
different thing.
No, sales streaming one is still going. I'm not done, right? It's still pulling.
Oh, God.
Now, no, I need to do this because this is for PySpark so that I can practice on my laptop, the PySpark. So export this, eval this, restart your shell to take effect. I don't know what this means, but
Only my one container is not, that superset is not working. Except all the containers coming, but only
yeah,
superset.
but
Even this time is the file is correct. If I go to superset.
so pym shell devenv, so brew install. So what is this? So install the latest version. So I guess brew install Python. I told you I've been right. IT is too much work these days. So Python is already installed to reinstall this, so I don't need that. So now,
Python is a 3.12. Some other way is there Python we can install our own version? Because
no,
this
so
Python 3.12 gives the problem for.
it says warning, Python 3.12 is already there. Well, you can install the lower version if you want. See, yeah, but so now I need to just do pip install PySpark. No, but that one error that you have, if I don't know, I'll fix it tomorrow. But at least I want to get the same thing that you are getting, minus the last one. Then it's fine, right?
Yeah, but you are still you have to give the chmod permission to the folders because you will get those issues. If you give if you go to the same copy of the folder, you go to the duplicate of this folder because there is the init file is there. Now you have to give permission.
Okay, so after all this is finished, then I can do, right?
Now because otherwise it will fail. This Docker Compose will fail and you have to restart. You open the duplicate folder of this sales streaming.
You mean right now? Right now?
Right now. You can open another shell.
Okay, hold on.
Make it copy, duplicate. What is this? Sales streaming. We have to make a copy of sales streaming.
So PWD.
You can see with the sales streaming also, right?
Yeah, but this is running. I don't want to interrupt this. So I came here and I should be able to go to the sales streaming from here. Okay. So CD root, no such file or directory. Why? Where is the sales streaming?
Get that.
Hold on, fine. Gosh. Is it sales like this? Uppercase S or lowercase?
Small case.
Small?
Permission denied. Even I given chmod permission by. entry point one, right? How it calls the init file. What is the difference between entry point and
You have to Google that.
entry point? Is
Because I think entry point takes precedence over CMD.
yeah, entry point directly SH file, and CMD you are telling what type of command you want to run. Python command, shell script command.
Yeah,
So you have to pick.
that's an interview question, but I don't remember.
Uh, how to contact this guy.
So Ivan, how do I start PySpark? I just type PySpark.
Yeah, pyspark, like you are not getting pyspark. Shell is not coming. Your path is.
It says something about pym, PySpark not fine. The PySpark command exists in these Python versions.
Oh, your version is 3.12.
But hold on. So see pym help global. Because I think from the instruction they told me the PySpark dev or something. But here is the instruction. This is the instruction. No, is this one? Yeah. It says something about, I mean, setting the environment, right? So initial, so pym shell dev. So it says
Yes. How many containers are done?
Still going. Look, it's a big file.
No, you are on the last stage.
Oh, last?
Oh, did that permission thing, chmod permissions for all the.
It's still pulling down those files, right?
Yeah, this is a Docker file things running. This is
So I installed my pyspark, but I'm getting this error. When I type in pyspark, you see this? Enter. It says the pyspark command exists in these Python versions. So what does that mean?
so how many Python version are there?
I don't know. How do I tell?
This is the Python, right? So did you download the Python zip or not? Simply Python zip you download and set the bash rc path. You are running in the MacBook Pro or you are running in Ubuntu?
No, MacBook Pro.
MacBook Pro is very difficult, right? This
No,
thing is a
but it gave me everything except the last part. In fact, I installed everything. See here. I just need to do pyspark.
okay, and it's the MacBook Pro instruction.
Yeah,
The
this is
Ubuntu is you download the zip and you set the bash rc path and run it.
but so you see, if you do this, install pyenv, install Python version. So I guess 3.11.5 is what I have, right? So if I say 3.11.5, enter. Pyenv. So which version? It says pyenv install this. Pyenv install. Did I run this virtual env? Brew install virtual env. Running homebrew as root is not supported. Okay, no problem. Warning, virtual env is already installed and up to date. To reinstall, so create a virtual environment and then initialize it. So I did this also. Enter. Again, is there. Initialize your virtual env. So pyenv shell devenv. If I run this, Control C. So pyenv shell devenv. Initialize it. Now activate. To activate devenv, you need to run the following command every time you open a new terminal. Pyenv shell devenv. Brew install Python. I think I did that already, but because Python is already installed. But if you do this, but like you said, there could be several versions of Python, right? So I have 3.12.5.
Yeah, 3.12 is fine.
Okay, so then after this, it says install pyspark latest version on Mac. So pip install pyspark. That's all, which I did. So a new version of pip is available. It says requirement already satisfied. So .pym versions 3.11.15 environment lib Python 3 site packages 352. So after all that, you should see something like this. Alternatively, you can do this. Brew install Apache Spark, set the environment, and then once pyspark or Apache is installed, start the pyspark shell from the command line by issuing the pyspark command. So I come here and I say pyspark like that. Enter.
What is happened?
So this is still going. But over here, it's telling me that requirement already satisfied. PySpark in this, but this thing is not there. A new release of pip is here.
You have to download the pip install.
To update, run pip Python M, pip install upgrade pip. But the moment, okay, so if I do brew, reinstall this, exit from here. Brew reinstall, Python, and then requirement already satisfied. PySpark in this, requirements already satisfied. PySpark in this, Python 3.11.
What is this error? Executable file not found in $path in Docker.
Executable file not found in $path. Then that means it's not there. Just show me.
Is there actually? Okay. Different matter. Okay, here, this one, if I go to Superset. So in the VI Docker file, here I gave like so.
Did you show me?
Yeah, I'm presenting the screen. Now you see, you are able to see screen, right?
Mm-hmm.
Executable file not found.
Where you executable file not found in path, unknown, error response. This is the same thing you see. What is the OCI runtime? Is that Docker runtime?
Yeah. It's coming same. Actually, I believe once this error not able to clean, right? Because it is showing the same error. Because if I even remove the Docker file also, okay, if I just rename the Docker file, it will not work. Okay, I think something is a problem. If I remove
this is a big container, almost like in the form of gigs, right? So my container is still running. Can you believe it? After more than 30 minutes. If you don't have a strong system, it will not work.
see, still it's coming same error. I have removed the Docker file. Can you check? So it means it's not refreshing, right? Because I removed the Docker file.
So
and again,
you remember the error you got? Network sales streaming data pipeline error. Failed to create network sales streaming. Error response from daemon. Pool overlaps with one another on this address space.
Oh, you got that error?
Mm-hmm. So how you fix that?
You run this command, Docker network prune. Okay.
Docker space network prune.
Prune, yeah. Yeah, overlap space something, na? Right?
Yeah. So let me copy paste in the chat for you.
No, I understood that is the same error, right? I got it.
Okay, so Docker space network space prune and enter. That's all I do.
Yes.
It says this will remove all custom networks not used by at least one container. Continue? Yes. So then what happens to the download? Download will continue after this?
I think your one working, right? That one.
Like what I'm saying is after this, so like my download was still going, right? And then it did this.
No, now that error is gone, right?
No, it's trying to prune it.
Yeah, I have one guy, India, calling actually.
Calling you for what?
Yeah, India just.
Okay, so what do I do now? Like quickly I show.
And some CS mode permission coming, right? Permission denied, permission denied.
No. Like just again, let me show my screen quickly before. Let me just share again because
yeah. Can you share now?
Okay, so let me share quick. You can see. You can see my screen.
Yeah, this is the same. This one, right? Did you do the prune?
So yes, this is the prune, right? This is the prune. So it finished. So prune is done. When I said yes, it removed this.
Run again, Docker Compose, right? Yeah. Then it will, right? Docker Compose up. Yes. Yeah.
So the whole thing again?
No, it will not do everything download. It will start from it got failed.
Oh. It will continue from, so now it's doing the.
For one containers are coming like Superset create dashboard, Superset, 12 containers coming to your one.
These ones, right?
Yeah, created, we still. Yeah, all are attaching in the Cassandra. Okay. I think your containers are coming.
So you were telling me to go into the home directory, root at kmaster, and then /sales streaming. So
you have to see up now error start coming. Okay. Like permission denied error will come, right, for each container.
From here?
Okay. I mean, still not coming. See, this is the initial container, zookeeper, MySQL, Spark. Okay, let it come. Okay, so, then zookeeper. Are we still going? Zookeeper. Okay. This is the config part going, right? Whatever script need to run in the container. So that is running. Okay, Cassandra container is working. Okay. So this is your 5th container, Cassandra. Okay, Kafka container is running. That is fine. Okay, so Kafka script is running. See, this is a script, right? Some Kafka, lib Kafka.sh, right? So unbound variable, okay, that is fine. Kafka.sh, it is running topic command. Okay.
What is this error?
Okay. So you just go to Kafka folder, cd Kafka. This is Kafka, na? Superset you have to go. cd Superset. It is same error you are getting, right? Permission denied. Okay. So Docker file, you give the permission, right?
This one?
Superinit.sh.
What permission I give it?
Give chmod.
Like this?
+X, right?
Mm-hmm.
No, how you give permission?
Like this?
Yeah, enter. And now go back again. cd ... And Docker compose up you running. That's why I was saying before you, right? Because this error doesn't come, right? If you do it before, right? Okay. Okay, now run Docker compose up. Enter. But this is the last container, right? That container is giving an issue to everyone. Let's see.
But how you came to know about this? Oh, because so it means once you download, you clone the repo.
I've done this one. All these things I've done. I mean, right now it is setting the infrastructure only. It is not running a job. The job part we will run once our container will up. So see, Superset is still permission denied is saying, right? If you see, no, not this one. Kafka one is also there. Kafka one you fix first. cd ... Kafka. cd Kafka you go. That's the reason I told you all the one you have to do. Yeah, give it X permission. I think it is not even the Superset why it is not taking, right?
So why I don't give, like from here, why I don't give everybody?
Give it. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
I think other are fine because only this last Kafka and Cassandra. Cassandra you give?
This one?
Go Cassandra. Yeah, go inside Cassandra. And here also you give the permission, X permission. Okay.
And then what else?
Now run Docker compose. But your one is this not working now, right? Superset. Even you give in the Superset. Okay, let run.
Superset.
Kafka.
This one?
Okay, run. Docker compose you run. Docker compose you run. Let's see first. Right, your Kafka should not be giving any error.
So you can give 777 on the folder itself only, right? And then everybody else will have it. Then you don't have to do all this over and over. You can do it from the folder level. So okay, so what is all this?
Are we still
So
Cassandra?
So this is a big job. So this, if you have to build, you can probably the whole day, one by one building.
So this is Cassandra.
Cassandra, create topic.
We still Kafka, okay. Cassandra. I think this time it is going little more. Because okay, Cassandra top, okay, it is creating table, okay.
Cassandra is a database.
Database, it will create a table.
No, what is Cassandra?
Cassandra is a database, NoSQL database, like Mongo. It's the same like a Mongo.
So Cassandra create topic exited with code 0.
Cassandra created KS topic exited with code 0.
Means?
No, it is not a problem.
It's still welcome to Vietnamese Spark container.
Forgot to Spark also, right? This
So
okay. I think we have to give in the CD Spark master. You have to go. Okay, go to CD Spark master.
Here?
Yeah, here. So,
and then go back like this.
Docker compose.
See, so from here, you could have issued.
Now, previously it was showing 12 container, but now 3 container gone, right? Those 3 container is stopped, I think. Those are the superset one.
How you know? Oh, it's not here.
Yeah,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah. See, if you see the attaching to your attaching. They're the 12.
Oh.
You count here.
So is that
attaching line? Yeah.
Yeah, attaching to
12.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. One extra, na superset is extra, and superset dashboard extra. Right. I think you counted wrong, right? Superset and superset count. So okay. Total 11 should be there. So 12 is what?
So I mean, is this this is like a project, or this is? I just want to understand it a little bit more. Maybe tomorrow.
The project, Abhi, you haven't seen execution. This is just the setting up, installing part is doing. Okay. If the same thing, if I do without container, I need to install everything manually on my Ubuntu machine.
Which it will take you like maybe what, 4 hours?
4 hours, right? Kafka, Spark, all those things.
So that means all this, if I go through your classroom, the one by one options are there, right? But on a project, I haven't installed this before. So how I'll be able to install this?
See, once this is completed, then we have to execute the pipeline. That is our final task. Once all the container come, then we have to run a job, and final output we will see as a dashboard. If you see the GitHub link, the very dashboard is coming, and that dashboard will every 10 seconds it will be refreshed automatically. It's very powerful dashboard.
But I mean, the question is, somebody, I mean, we are just copy pasting. Does that mean on a project you can do this?
But this kind of learning is good, na, right? Because we are learning from other. The same setup, if I want to do same pipeline, right, with the same infrastructure, I can use the same Docker Compose YML and making it ready, right? Okay. I can add Airflow also. Airflow is not there. Airflow
yeah, but for me, I don't know the one by one option. So this is going to confuse me more.
Yeah, it will confuse, but See, this is a practice. Slowly practice. See, everything you're learning, right? You have to put.
Permission denied also came for this file. Super.
Oh my God. This is no solution. I think I'm also done.
No. So here, permission denied is coming for this file. You see?
Yeah. So what? Go to Superset. Go to Superset.
Hold on. So what is the file? I mean,
It's a right. Go to CD. CD you go.
CD.
Superset, right? Superset folder.
This one?
Yeah. Now check this superset init file. So this is a DevOps thing. Why it is giving problem, right?
So wait. So here it says unable to start the container process exec /superset init.sh. This one?
And your same DevOps container, right? So this is the same Docker file. That this Docker execute is your entry point.
No, but hold on. I need to be able to give permissions to this, right?
Already you give a permission you want to give, right?
From here, right?
Yeah, permission there, right? The other one all are successfully done or not, except this.
So if
okay. No, say system. Yeah. Go. Wrong place, I think. Not superset. Here is no Docker Compose file. See, that permission thing, every folder we are giving, it's working, right? Every folder.
So why?
Only X this one. We already given chmod X, right?
Mm-hmm. So I just want to check to see.
See, this is a simple DevOps error, right? DevOps error, right? Permission denied. It is nothing related to big data, nothing related to.
So that is why that is why I gave it everything, right? All the permissions. For that particular file, the init file, I gave everything. So it doesn't complain about that again. But you could have also given the full permission on the folder level only. Then you don't have to do one by one. Inside the streaming, inside here, this folder.
Even we can give entire folder.
Yeah. That's what. So you do chmod +X space minus capital R and then the name. Finish.
That is fine, but still the error is there now, right? Only this folder is a problem, right? Other folder are working fine.
Yeah. So then.
One second. Why this is coming? Consumer, right? This is now right. I think your success, right? When you do chmod on this file.
On which file?
Yeah.
It's still running.
Yeah, it is start. Previously, this was not coming, right? Can you do another $shell and check, because you cannot do enter here.
Permission denied came for here also, right? It says here, it says unable to run start container process exec. So error from here failed to create shim task, OCI runtime create failed, run C, create failed, unable to start container process exec. But this is this thing here we should be able to fix. This one here.
Even I'll tell you one thing. If you just remove the Docker file, if you rename the Docker file, now it will be giving same error, because this is not refreshing. Okay. Yeah. Even if.
So let's see. Before that, let's find out from the error here, and then see if there's anything we can do first before I remove the file. So fail to create shim task. Quick setup.
Open the first one. Runtime. Yeah, this is the same guy. Same, right? Yeah.
Who? You know this guy?
No. If this guy tried his example, Okay, he got this error, right? So that's the reason he is asking help.
I'm
This is
running.
the same code.
Oh, but nobody gave him an answer.
Uh,
Written by some gentleman. So he said what? Error from daemon file.
because before you, many people already asked help.
I know.
on this thing.
So the meaning of this error, I think, he says unable to start the container process exec slash. So from here now it says this file permission is denied on that file, right? So where is the file located?
Which file?
The superset in it.
Superset init is in the superset folder.
So, but it's owned by root. Everybody's owned by root, right? So, and I gave everything here.
This guy didn't get the answer. Oh my god. Why we don't talk to that guy directly? Because we are getting the issue. Can you help us? Oh, this guy has same guy. This is a lady guy. This article, and this lady guy has the same article. Let me ping you in the medium. Oh, she has article on right. Let's see. I'm pinging you on the chat here.
So superset. Okay, so you know why his permission is denied? Maybe he's trying to run this command.
Which command?
See.
Command is not related to permission denied, right? The
See.
command error is on the even the file is not able to run now. First of all, the echo statement comes or not, right? Creating admin like that.
Where?
Okay.
Because over here.
This file is not invoked, right? This file is not able to start, right? Permission denied because of that.
But I'm thinking that maybe so you mean this is not even being run?
Okay, you put some echo statement, you can see that your echo is printing or not, right? It will come. If it is coming means like it's
we can comment all this out. You can comment all these things out and only leave the echo.
Oh my god, it's the same example she has given in the medium link. She explained superset one, like whatever the problem is there now. If you open my link.
Your link where?
That
in Zoom?
Chat, yeah. Just click that. Actually, the same lady, this is the lady, this is the one. Okay. This lady is the same whose code is that. This cross button you cross, na? Click on button.
Malima Shamin?
From some other.
So this is the person from GitHub?
No, this cross button, na, you are not able to see. Yeah, now go down.
No, I'm saying this is the same author as the GitHub?
Yeah, this is the same author.
Okay, and then what is she saying now?
Little go up. Where the folder is there, na, like 3 folders, like this structure you see. Little go down. There Docker file composition. She's saying here, like this is init asset, superset init.
To ensure smooth configuration process without worrying about incorrect path, please follow the directory structure below. So superset, inside superset, there's these files.
Fine, this is already there. Okay, this is already there, nothing to worry. Okay, go down, prerequisite, go down. Okay, create superset init. Okay, that file is already there. She's saying create admin user in superset. Okay, initialize the superset. This. Okay, here is the shell script code. Okay, go down. Yeah. Okay, this is the shell script code. That is fine. Create a config, superset config.py. Okay, and we have created a both configuration file that will be using in our Docker and Docker file. This is a Docker file. This is the main file, the problematic file. Apache Superset latest. Switch to the root user. Okay, all database driver superset can be found this link. Okay, that is fine. And specify the back to the superset user to run the superset application. 7 number is superset init.sh script. Specify the entry point for the container. This is the correct. Can you check? This is the same script we have. So we are also with the doc.
Meaning
Now
that, so where is that located? In the Docker file?
Yeah, it's a Docker file.
In which folder? Superset?
Superset. Yeah. This is the one, right? Whatever she gave. So latest, okay, user root, run pip install MySQL client, okay, copy command /superset init.sh.
So a dollar username is the admin, dollar admin email is this email, and then environment is that. Can we change this to our own email IDs? Can we change this to like your Gmail stuff? Or it will not work?
That is fine. All our code that is not working. Copy this superset init dot slash, that is fine. Okay, line number 30, copy superset config.app, that is fine. env is fine. User superset is fine. Entry point, that is correct.
So everything here is the same as she has on the internet.
But it's a root. Okay, anything she said after this line at the end, can you see? So we are done. And Docker compose, Docker file and Docker compose YML. Okay, go down, Docker compose YML. So she is giving the services, superset Docker file. Once you have defined the Docker compose file, you can run the superset container. Running the superset container with the Docker compose build.
Done. So if it says
what is something she said last?
Where?
Go bottom something she said. Running once the superset container is up and running, the wave interface can be accessed the localhost 80. This is superset container up, right? But container is not getting up, right?
Yeah. So it means our error is here somewhere. See, here's the complete code for the Docker file, right? So that is why I was trying to again Google the error that I got here.
I think right.
Error response from daemon. Failed to create the task for container. Failed to create the shim task. OCI runtime failed, right? So if I take all this and I go to Google, okay, so what am I getting? Error response from daemon. Failed to create a shim. This is the one. People are complaining. Does the same go build deployment?
And she has one more article, and she has shown the complete code in the
just run
medium link. Actually,
run chmod plus X on deployment.service before the CMD. So
I got her other article, FastAPI.
What did she say on that article? Anything?
I pinged you that article. That is the original one, original link.
Oh, so this is what you also did, right? That plus X. I remember you told me this, right?
Even we can try this and / before CMD /
Yeah, so
copied already / to the
no. So it's that, right? I'm just checking somebody's code, and they said here you do plus X. Somebody also said, looks like try running this in the terminal and try again. chmod plus X on the deployment.service. It means go back here. Okay, so hold on. Where's the file? So chmod a plus X.
Oh, this is a party. This is my friend. Video there. Oh, I can ask my friend. My friend has see this. Oh, you are getting also YouTube video on this one. Can you click on the second link of mine?
Second link of yours.
In the Zoom chat.
This one. The medium one.
Click on this. Medium link. Yes, click. And go down. Because my friend video is there on this on her link. Actually, she has go down. This is the same bigger article. Okay, go down. Then look, go up. Go up completely down. Go up. Go little up.
This one?
No. I'm saying go up. See this guy. This video now. This is my friend. This guy.
Okay.
She has left. Yeah.
If you don't want to create a Superset dashboard programmatically, then you can always build it on the Superset UI following these same steps. Here is a helpful link. So
this guy is my friend.
Why?
Oh, now it's working?
I don't know. I just rerun it again. So I don't know. Is it doing some stuff? I just rerun it, right? I gave it some permissions.
Okay.
I gave it some permissions, but it says here, client session timeout. I don't know if it timed out or something. It says closing socket connection. But info session establishment complete on server, Zookeeper, negotiated timeout. Apache, what does this mean? Okay.
No, this error is not going.
So
again, I think your container is not refreshing, right? That error. Whatever change you will do now, it will not reflect because you have to remove container image and then you have to rebuild because I don't know why it is not cleaning.
So he's saying something about, I'm looking at similar error, right? Similar error, CMD to this. So maybe the last part of it, of the thing that is failing is the entry point. It doesn't like the entry point. So this superset file, see, it doesn't like.
Actually, my friend run this whole thing with the container. Okay, and he configured the Superset dashboard.
I can also ask Madhusudan. Maybe he knows. The entry point is it's just a Docker error, right? So maybe he will know. But is this the same file or I'm looking at a different file? Oh, I should be looking at a Docker file, right? Is it a Docker file? Is this where the error is?
Yeah, this superset.
No. But why I'm getting, so I'm here, I'm in superset.
I'm telling you, if you rename the Docker file to Docker file 1, still your error will come same.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
So it's not the issue of the Docker. So this is the file
No.
where it's complaining about the permission denied, right?
This file is called from Docker file only. If you rename the Docker file now with some other file, even still the same error because it is not refreshing the container.
Okay, so then there is no need to rename the Docker file. There is no.
You just try to rename. Okay, just mp command to rename. Your error still comes same.
Okay, so yeah, then we don't need to rename if the error will still come. Right? If the error will still come, then why are we renaming?
The containers, it is not refreshing the container. This error is not refreshing. That I'm saying.
Oh,
because
okay. So what do we have to do here?
So we have to remove the. You have to remove the Docker container or the stop container. You have to remove an image. You have to remove, and then you have to rebuild.
For which one?
What is
what is the for which one?
What is the stop? Okay, what is the stop container? Right? Can you see the third number container?
This one.
Yeah, these two container you remove it. Not Kafka one. Not Kafka.
Yeah, but this one is exited, right?
This is your another container, right?
These two are exited. So this one, Bitnami Kafka leaders.
Can you see this superset container, right? One superset init container is there. Down. The superset init container. No, little up, like oh.
This one?
Yeah, this container you delete, you remove the container and again rebuild.
Okay, but that one is not saying it. It says it's created, but it's not running, right?
Yeah, it's created but not running, right? In the Docker PS.
So remove it.
Docker remove. No, this is not an image, right? This is container. Docker remove. Docker remove command. You have to use Docker remove.
For this?
Okay. And then you rebuild the container. Then you will see the difference of your error. Again, Docker compose, right? That command.
Okay, well, how about these ones? They exited.
It's fine. Kafka is not giving problem.
So
I think,
but it's not.
PS, how many
but it is not up, right?
Okay, 2 Docker PS. Yeah, tell me Kafka is coming now, right? So that's fine, right? Your all container coming fine, except that
the last superset one. Okay, so the superset is not coming, right?
cd ... again do the Docker compose build. Docker compose. Because the changes doesn't come reflect. Okay, you have to stop container, remove container, and stop container you have to remove and rebuild. Then you will see the difference of your error. Otherwise, you will see the same error. It will not change. Okay, that is the reason I told you, right? Docker file name you change it, even that is not taking effect of that. Okay, because your container is old, right? So stop container. It is not refreshing. It is not refreshing with the latest changes. Okay.
So here the problem is that file, right?
Maybe the permission. See now it is saying super init. See now the slash is not coming. Slash super init permission.sh.
No, it's there.
It is okay.
The slash is here.
It's same thing, right? It is.
Is
still the permission denied error.
So what? Yeah, but I need to find out.
That lady how she did.
Okay, so she didn't explain it.
He did explain. But actually, she gave the reference of my friend. Actually, she know my friend.
So copy dot,
She called.
copy. So if
See, dot slash we are giving.
hold on for a second. I think inside here I saw some. It says here that we should put maybe sh in there. So this means run this file. So if I go here and I see sh, so this is the Docker file. Oops. So sh and then comma and then -c.
Comma.
They're saying here that similar error is here. OCI runtime failed to create start exec path unknown. I use blah blah blah. Command change from this to this. Entry point .net, comma, application DLL. User airflow, this. Since copy copies the files, including the metadata, you can also simply change the permissions here of the file in the host machine, the one building the Docker image. So chmod plus X. So error is still there. So it says what? Chmod plus X, and then your entry point in your terminal, run this. Or if the entry point is in a folder, then run that. So
Did you get it?
So I think this is what you did before, right? Run chmod plus X on this before you run it. Okay. Now I'm just running it again and see what happens. I'm just running the compose again, right?
Yeah, Docker compose again, but changes will reflect when you delete the container, right? Stop container.
Oh, so I didn't delete it. Well, the container was not created in the first place. What was it?
Yeah, but okay.
So right now this
But-
one,
No, container is not created. That is different thing.
unable
But
to
it's
read
container.
additional data. Okay, so same error is there. I believe.
Even
So-
this command is not changing, like slash
So
superset.
go here, and then I think this is not it. What I did here, it didn't like it, right? So it wants me to run it on. It wants me to run it on a different line. So leave this the way it is. Come here,
Double.
enter. It says run, and then
PH mode.
I think you did this same thing you did.
Yeah. Plus X. Mm.
You did this before, right?
Yeah. You have to give slash superset.
No, it didn't say that.
No, exactly give the same, na, whatever is in entry point.
Exactly, give the same.
Hmm.
No, you see here, it didn't do this.
Oh, okay. So they
that-
are not giving.
Oops, they're not giving. So let's try it one at a time. Remove this. Save this file. Docker PS. Do I have to delete anything right now? Nothing.
Nothing. Docker. Just check sudo docker ps -a. That stop container is there. So if you remove that container, the superset only.
Where is it?
The superset. I think that container is not there.
Is there, I think. This one?
Yeah, this one. Superset init.sh.
This is the one, right?
Yeah, Docker RM.
So it's gone. Okay. Now run the compose again and see. The only thing is, $108 answers were there, Stickers? No, 4 answers. It says the same issues. Follow the Google Cloud Platform tutorial. I edited my code following your advice, but I still got the same permission denied error. Docker run, blah, blah, blah. I'm running Docker desktop. I didn't run, doesn't appear to fix anything. I had to apply it to the file locally to test everything was.
Right. Is there a reason why run command couldn't work? I'm still getting unable to this. So I had to deny answer.
Oh,
Daniel answer.
you
I
talk,
had to choose Daniel.
you're talking to
Since
somebody else?
Okay, down you go. Since copies file, including their metadata, we are changing the permission like this ch mode. Okay, then running worker. Okay, separately he's doing this. Then you use docker build test command. The copy file will have the execution permission. Okay, so this will work, right? They are saying manually if you do that is working.
No, but hold
Rather
on.
than-
So this is what I did before. So it says, so don't run. So change this. Then when running Docker build, we are not running Docker build.
No, this container we are building up with the compose, right?
Mm-hmm.
Same thing. And docker exe, it is running a run command, right? Actually.
Yeah. So here what happens? Same error is there.
Manually we can build the container. Rather than that, let's try that. Like
so
this
let me
container-
just remove this.
And what is exact container name? Can you check it? That container, that image, that container we will build.
Which one?
What is the name? The container name is no. When we use docker build command, So no, not this one, the above one. Superset says streaming superset.
No, this is the one.
Oh, container name is superset only, small superset. The bottom one. Second line is a superset.
This one.
No, second line, right? This superset. No, after this superset. This is the name only. Right. Okay. We'll create a build image with this. Okay. Can you do remove this one, Docker? Did you remove it? Okay.
Yeah, it's gone.
Now go to the CD superset. Not here. How can we run this? Okay. CD superset.
Hold on. So yeah.
Docker build -t. Can you Docker build -t command you do? Docker build -t. And then give the superset. Name is a image superset, and then dot. Enter. Okay.
So you just build.
Let,
You're just building it locally.
yeah, that's trying to check, like it should come the same error here also, right?
Yeah, because
the
Docker file. Yes. So the Docker file is located here. So it's the same thing. It once it gets to the end of it, it should complain about the /.
So might be it can run because see, so far it is not a problem, right?
It's copying. It's finished the copying. Now it's removing the intermediate container. Now it's doing this. Cannot access this.
This is the problem. If we fix this problem, then I think.
So hold on. It says cannot access the init.sh. So it doesn't know where to find it. So hold on here.
So did you change anything in the Docker file? Can you
No.
do the cat command?
So we are in the Docker
No,
file. Only this I put there, right? But it doesn't know how to. Okay, so this, we are saying that change permissions, but full location it needs. It needs to know exactly where it's located. But over here, you're copying it, right? So is it, say maybe copy this, but don't call it this name. Remove this and say call it another name. You're saying copy / this and call it that. So where is it dropping this file? You know what I mean?
So, yeah.
So that is the problem. He's saying set all your environment fine, copy / init.sh. So this file should be located, must be located from somewhere. Where is he getting it from? Somewhere in the Docker file, right?
Why we are using copy this? We can directly run this / in the entry point. Why we need to copy? If you don't copy,
yeah, but if you don't copy, then it's not there. It's not there to run. Like here.
No, entry make it na entry point / will make it na. Whatever is the context, right? /.
You mean here?
Can you try this? Can you remove copy # command? Just comment it.
So come here. And he's saying we don't need this.
And then / super init, yeah. / No, run command fine. That is fine. /
like this.
Like this, yeah.
So we are going to. So we are not copying, but where is the file? So where is the file to begin with? Is the file there from where? Like where did this file came from? Is my question.
Okay, can you try this? Maybe like this is an entry point we are calling.
Yeah, but I just wanted to know, you're copying a file, but where is the file coming from, right? I don't think it's a complicated error to fix, but maybe we are not getting it. Okay, so now it's just immediately is running the chmod. So cannot access. So it says no, it doesn't know where this file is. That's the question. Where's the file? The command returns.
That's giving error, right? Your chmod command. Okay, that command we needed that or
no, see, it's saying that it doesn't know the file.
You can make it dot slash, right? That plus X dot slash, right?
Where?
In the line, like plus X command, right? Plus X, right? So there is a dot slash instead of only dot slash. Yeah, dot slash.
But hold on. But plus X, if you say plus X,
dot slash.
but why the dot slash? Shouldn't it just be just slash?
No, dot slash, because the file is in the current directory location now, which superset. Superset is a parent folder. Because this error should not come, cannot access this with a ch mode. Okay, Docker build command.
So, but this file is already there, right? Like if you do lsltr, the file is there. So if the file is there, but it doesn't know where to find the file, pwd. So the file is right here, inside here. So why it says it doesn't know where to find the file? I'm a little bit confused. So
if you don't give copy command, this ch mode command, because already having plus X permission.
yeah, but
right.
So if you come here, we were copying it from the initial location, right? And then you were, so now we are not copying it anymore, but because we know the file is there. Or where is the Docker file running? Is it running? So hold on for a minute. So if I do, can I put the full path? Hang on. Can I put the full path, like if I do pwd? So the full path is here, and then this is the file name, right? So here's the full path. This name, put it in here somewhere, and then slash this name, put it here, and then go back here like this.
So you want to use copy command?
Yeah, so I want to use this, but then specify, actually, hold on, undo. So take a copy, and then, so from here, now, instead of doing this,
full path.
undo, apply. What happened here?
It is
Control
not
Z.
copied.
Hold on. Command Z. It didn't copy it. No, edit, undo typing. So copy this. Shiba here. So here's the question. If I'm copying this into where? Into slash SA, does that mean it's putting it in the root directory? You know what I mean? So no. Okay, so my question is, undo this. So if I'm copying this from this full path and I say slash here, does that mean it's going to put the file in the root directory? If it's putting the file in the root directory, then it doesn't know what to do with it. You know what I mean? Because it says put it in slash, call it this, and then now come here and do this and do that. Because here's the file we're copying, right? And where are we dropping the file? Are we dropping it in the root directory? That's what this means. Just like you copying this py into slash app. then is there a file called /app? And setting this, user summary said this. Okay, so is there an app directory? Where's /app? There is no app directory. See, copy file not found. So the Docker build doesn't like it. Maybe I'm gonna ask Madhu Sudan. Maybe he will know.
Okay, we'll see it tomorrow. I think.
Yeah,
Still
I can
right.
I can call him and ask him. So is this the? Oh, it's not there. This is different. This is not the one you want to delete. The other one is not there. See, so what I did is, if you look at the Docker file now, right? I said copy this and call it the same from here only. So that
Okay, let's see. Tomorrow we'll see that. Okay.
Pardon? Or tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Okay.
Mm.
All right. Okay, bye.